Hey, this is Susan Fouché with Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. In this video, I am going to talk about Fiverr because it's Fiverr Friday. So I want to give you a super secret way to retain your clients to get more work the easy way. The best way to get more business on Fiverr or anywhere is to just court the clients that you already have. Dig into those existing clients and really, work them like crazy. So in this video, I'm going to show you a really effective way to retain your clients, and you'll learn how to make more money on Fiverr doing voiceovers. So the way that I do it is not all the time, but when I have time, as much as I possibly can, when I submit my work to my client, when I go ahead and upload my work and send them the work on Fiverr, I include a 30 to 60 second video of myself thanking them for the work and just giving them a little bit of information about what I did. For example, if I gave them 2 different takes, I'll say, hey, thanks so much for hiring me. And by the way, I gave you 2 takes. I wasn't really sure what you wanted. I kind of started one way and then I thought maybe I'd pick a different way and, choose whichever one you want. I'd be interested to know which one you picked. Something like that, a video that says something like that, or something like, hey, thank you so much for all the work that you've been giving me these past 6 months. I am just so thrilled to be helping you. I hope you have a great day and let me know the next time you need anything. Thank you so, so, so much. So what I'm going to do right now is play you a video that I did for a client of mine who was a relatively new client. I just, today is March, that's the end of March of 2022. I just got this client this year and I've already scored quite a bit of work from this particular client. And it's a good client. It's a big name client too. Like it's one of these clients that like you put on your website, like clients that like me. Use me. And so these are the clients I want, good quality clients who pay well and who come back for more. And I don't have to market. I don't have to do anything. So I will shut up and I'm going to go ahead and play the video right now. Hey, this is Susan Fouché. Thank you so much for all of the work that you have been giving me, all of the recordings that I have been doing for you. I really, really appreciate it and all the repeat business. Just wanted to personally thank you, send you a video to just tell you how much I appreciate this opportunity. And the scripts are so well written and they're interesting and I'm just really enjoying them. So thank you. If you need anything else, please let me know. I am just thrilled to be working for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, that was it. That's all I did. And guess what? The client loved it. She was so happy. She was so honored that I, took the time out to send her a, 32-second clip of me saying, thank you. So the program that I use is Camtasia. However, when I first started out, I used a free service called Loom, Loom, and I'm making a little circle. If you've ever used Loom, you know why. Because what it does is it just records like your face. That's all it is. And you can record like your screenshot and then you can record this little like circle face. It's free. It worked great, for the first 6 months that I had it. And then I switched to OBS and that's free also. OBS works great as a little video, program. And then I switched to Camtasia and just took the time to actually learn it. And, there's a bit of a learning curve with Camtasia. There's a bit of a learning curve with all of them, but it's worth it. So let me ask you something. Would you rather A, market to people you don't know or market to people you do know? Use these videos. And if you want to, you can completely rip me off and use my little, banners that I have with like my name, exclusively on Fiverr, blah, blah, blah. But what this does, it's a marketing, this is a marketing tool. It's got my Fiverr name on it. So if they ever lose my contact information, they can't remember my name, they can look at this video and be like, oh yeah, there it is. There's her name. And so let's go ahead and contact her and get her for this next big old project that we have lined up. So really, really easy marketing tool, super secret way of getting, retaining more clients, getting more work, whatever I'm trying to say. Happy Friday. For more wonderful, amazing, relevant, valuable Fiverr content, check out my playlist. I've got a ton of Fiverr videos in here for beginners, intermediates, advanced people. Use it. I promise you, you will be making some money on Fiverr and making some money doing voiceovers. I have just hit a major milestone on Fiverr, and I am so proud of myself. So I know you can do that too. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.